Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how that means people who have interacted with your page, your product, your website, and Meta has been tracking this thing secretly for you, but you need to set up some things. You need to make some things in place for you to access this audience, and that's what we're going to be doing today in this tutorial. And I'm sure you have been learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and welcome to those who are just joining us. Welcome to SoundClass Academy, where you become a pro in digital marketing. Literally, we teach you everything from Google to Meta to Instagram and Facebook ads, so you can scale your business. You don't have to be a professional digital marketer to use the skill you're learning from here. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Basically, this is the audience platform where we stopped the last time, and here I created my own audience. Now I want to create an audience. These are meta data. So you come to create audience, and then you look for custom audience. The last time we used saved audience because we're trying to create our own ideal customer persona, but now we are creating custom audience. And you can see here you have your sources. This is where you put in your website, you put in your customers list, your offline data, and every other thing that you own. But for Meta, this is the aspect for Meta. So this is the place we're looking at today in this tutorial. So I want to get data from people who have watched my video. I would create an audience for that. I would also create an audience for people who have interacted with my Instagram account. I would also create an audience for people who have filled my lead form. I also create an audience with people who have registered for my live and Instagram event. I would also create an audience for people who have instant experiences with my page, and also an audience for Facebook page, shopping, and all of this. So we're going to try and make this tutorial very fast, but you might not need everything. Basically, like for businesses that are more of buy and sell, I think you should just focus on Instagram audience and video art. But for businesses that need registration, you should be looking at audience from your leads. And for pages that are like you're growing your Facebook page and you need to grow and scale your business, you can also have people who visit your page, your Instagram page, your Facebook page together. So without further ado, let me stop talking and start creating. So to create an audience, you click on the audience side you want to pick. So I want to create an audience for people who have ever watched my video. So these people are actually my warm audience and not cold. By the way, you are not breaking them down into a demography or geographical detail. They are just people who have watched my video all around the world, and Meta has been able to track them. So you click on video, so you have a pop-up like this, and you select. Now you can select the kind and the time of consumption. So personally, I love to select true view. That's 15 minutes. They've watched 15 seconds of my video, right? That means one way or the other they know me. Then the other thing, I would like to select people who have watched 75 and 95% of my videos that have published. That means these people are really interested in me, and I think they will want to purchase something if I put them in my target audience when I want to release. So you can see there's no unlike the last video, there's no demography, there's no class, nothing like that. There's no trying to break it down to age. No, it's just anybody that's really been following me and really interested in all the videos and reels I have been publishing. So I'll select that, then I'll click on select videos they have watched. I've been able to publish a lot of videos, right? So I'll select my page, Jason. So now I'm going to open my Instagram page. So you can see I posted a couple of videos. So I'll just select any of my top videos that these people have watched, and you can always use other pages if you have like more videos in your Instagram, you can switch to your Instagram. Like I have more videos on my Instagram, and I'll just switch to my Instagram page. These are some of my clients' accounts I'm managing. So here I posted a couple of videos, and yeah, I'll just select the ones that people really like, people really watch. So I'll just select this. So you can also do that selection for your own audience too. You don't have to select all the videos on your page. You can select top videos that this speaks a message to your brand. Probably you're breaking your videos down into introduction, that's your personal brand, telling them about your story. Then they've also watched a video where you're talking about your services, and then they also watch a video when they have seen the conversion after you have worked with your client. So you don't have to select all the videos on your page. Then you confirm. I'll do the same here. 75, at least you have watched 75% of my videos, of these videos. So these are some of my top videos. I can change page here. You can see just I've uploaded a lot of videos, so I'm trying to go back to videos where I was speaking and trying to just express myself, talking about marketing. So just selecting those videos, and here are they. Then I confirm. Then I select 95% of these videos, because I'm looking now for the long videos or the longest videos I have posted. You can select videos from your Facebook page, your Instagram account, your campaigns, and video ID. Video ID is from YouTube, like you imported a video from YouTube. So those kind of long videos. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm looking for my longest video, which was an Instagram live, which I published. I'll just select them, and they are very long. So if you have been able to watch 95 of that means you really love me, right? I'm talking about love. For those who have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe now, because this is totally free. We're training you, giving you, literally I've never seen any video that would explain the way we do here, the digital marketing skills step by step. Literally they just scatter it without any direct formats. We are taking you bit by bit to complete a course in digital marketing. And definitely, if you want a certificate from us after watching all this, you can message us, we'll send you your certificate. But aside that, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications, so whenever we drop a video, you will be aware about it. So now I've selected all the videos required. Some people have heard over time that reduce your retention day. The fact is, yes, people forget. When the thing I did last year January compared to now, I can't really remember everything, but the fact is, having your retention time to be 365 days is a complete year. That means it moves actually, like January 1 to January 2025, January 1 2024 to January 1 2025 is a year. Then January 2 2025 to January 3 2025 is another year, and that is how it moves. So reducing your retention time is reducing the range you have to accommodate your client and customers that might or would be interested in your service. So I would love to leave my retention day for 365 days, because it is a moving 365 days. Like the 365 days of yesterday is another 365 days of today, and that is how it is. So people that don't understand will tell you reduce your retention day to 10 days. People who have seen your content for 10 days or 100 days, that is a lie. The algorithm starts from people who recently watch your content to people who have watched your content in the last 365 days. So it starts from the recent to the least recent. So that's how the algorithm works. Then I'll name this audience video audience, people who are interested in my video. So I'll do that, video audience. So that's what I'm going to do right now, video. So I can add description, that's 15 seconds. Also they've watched 75% of my videos, and also they've watched 95% of my videos. So anytime I want to use this audience, I can recognize them easily, right? That's the reason why you're adding that description. And with that, 1 2 3, watch magic. And now the algorithm will start what they call learning. You can see it's populating, At regards to the old audience that I did the last time in the last tutorial, you could see the audience immediately, you could see the audience scope immediately. But compared to this one, you'd see what they call populating. You can see there is no actual audience yet, so it's still trying to, you can read it, we are trying to match this audience profile with our meta technology. So it takes time. Then after the algorithm has completely learned, then you can now match it up. And that's for video. Move to the next one. Now for Instagram account, for those people who have watched or followed your Instagram or visited your Instagram account and never followed, this is a kind of campaign you do for them, but you need to target them, you need to inform Meta to track them. All right, that's why when you visit a page or you visit a new page for the first time and you do not follow and they're actually running a campaign, you start seeing the company's campaigns and ads every single time. It's not because it is supposed to happen, it's because they planned it and they actually work out with their plan. So that's why we have this here. So now I'm going to track every single person that have visited my Instagram and Facebook page, but for now we're talking about Instagram page, and this is how you build the audience for that. So I'm going to select the account I want to use, the source, then the criterias I want to use. All the criterias include accounts who meet any of these criteria. So then who has engaged with my Instagram account, you can change the event. Basically you can say who started following your professional account. There are so many things you can use. Anyone who have visited my account profile, this is for people who are trying to track people that came to their account and did not follow, right? But personally I'll just say all. I like using all. So all the criterias include accounts who meet all the criterias or any of the criterias actually. So when you use any, it's just work better. So the retention day, I still leave it at 365. It's not long. It helps my audience, right? Somebody that visited recently is the first person that would see the ad, and compared to somebody that visited 80 days ago, 90 days ago, right? So there's no need for exclusion. I mentioned that earlier. If you are not a pro, don't use it. And I'm not going to teach you as a beginner how to use exclude your audience for now, right? Not because I don't know how to use it, but it is not necessary for your growth, because using it the wrong way might tarnish your campaign. So we have include more people. You can include more people from other pages, right? And that's if you have other pages and you want to add people from other pages that should follow your business. If there are some businesses that have 3 pages, there are a group of businesses, and you just want to accumulate everything, you can include more, right? But for me, I prefer to use one account and use another criteria, in the sense that the first one was who engaged with the account. Now I want to track people anyone who visited the profile but they did not take any action, right? That's what I want to do. I'll track them too. Then I track them and also include one more thing. I want to also track people who visited my profile and they started following. I want them to, but there's no really need to track people who have started following you, because they will definitely see your content. But the algorithm right now has a way of not it has a way of not showing all your followers your content, right, until you promote and boost. So I think I'll just stick with these two: people who engage with my professional profile, anyone who visited my profile. I'm tracking all of you, so get ready. Anyone who have watched this video, I'm also tracking you. With that being said, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel for this free tutorial training, this is SoundClass Academy, where we teach you everything that is needed for your business to grow. If you have not subscribed, kindly do that, because we are going to be sharing more and more knowledge and insights and information to build your business. So don't let me track you. I'm going to track you. Okay, let's skip that. Here we have to include one more audience. All right, what I love doing, I just love not keeping room for anyone. So anyone who have saved my posts, right, you can create many more for this, but anyone who have saved my post should be interested in what I'm doing. So I'll just have that and that. So I'll save the audience as page IG page visitors, because visitors don't stay. So I always call them visitors, so I can track them anywhere they are going. So you can put your description that, okay, I'm tracking this and that here. With that being said, you save the audience, and that's what I'm doing here. So I think the video is getting longer and longer, so I think we'll have to break this video. We'll have to break this video into 2 sessions so you can assimilate and watch over again. So we'll have a part 2 for this video. I want you to go and try this and tell me what you think in the comment section. How is it working? We're not going to use it for campaign, just build the audience. And you can see it is populating. The first one we did, the video audience has already completed and it's showing ready. So when you click on it, you can see how many people will be tracking. So it's saying below 1,000 people because it's a new account. Now for my IG page visitors, we're also waiting for it to populate. And definitely don't get deceived by the numbers you're seeing. When you start using it for campaign, it can start expanding, start increasing, because cold audience will be trapped into that campaign or into that audience niche. So don't get twisted. Creating all these things would help you, creating from your cold to your warm to your really warm or hot lead, right? You are tracking every single thing, and that is how to actually scale as a performance and any business marketer or any business person that needs to grow his business. So in the next video, I'll show you how to track your website. I'll show you how to track your Facebook, also your Facebook page, people who have visited your Facebook, people who have watched your Instagram live. I'll try to show you that as fast as possible to make it easy and smooth learning for you. With that being said, thank you for watching this tutorial. We'll look forward to the next tutorial. And if you need help regarding your campaign, you can always reach out to us. SoundClass is a digital advertising agency, and we do campaigns for business above $10,000, and we use that to help them scale and build a multi-million-dollar business. So thank you all for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.